Sometimes all it takes is changing a light fixture to completely transform a room, and this one became the centerpiece for our dining space.
Everything arrived well packaged, and the main fixture comes mostly pre-assembled. The glass shades, adjustable rods, mounting hardware, and instructions are all included. One of my favorite details is the combination of the matte black frame with the warm gold accents, and then the twisted glass shades catch so much light, and it's absolutely beautiful, and it adds texture without feeling overwhelming. As far as installation goes, it's pretty straightforward since the main body does come pre-assembled. From there, it's just attaching the hanging rods, securing the fixture, and installing your bulbs and adding the glass shades. Now, we did utilize a decorative piece around the ceiling canopy due to our previous light fixture being larger. So this piece is not included with the chandelier, but it's absolutely beautiful regardless of this piece. The included rods do let you customize the hanging height, making it easier to fit both standard and higher ceilings depending on your space. And once everything is installed, it has a really balanced look. The 7 light design provides plenty of light, while the clear textured glass keeps it feeling open instead of heavy. I also love the way the textured glass changes when the lights come on. It softens the glow while still letting plenty of light through. Plus, these are going to be a breeze to clean versus an open chandelier style light.
So if you're looking for a statement light that looks modern without feeling too trendy, I think this one strikes a really nice balance. The quality feels great, the adjustable height makes it versatile, and it completely changed the look of our dining room.